So over here you can see that I have an oval shape. I'm going to hold Alt and click and drag copies of this right here, just like this. So now what you can do is you can go around, resize this, place this wherever I want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and then use the remove stroke, remove fill, and swap fill and stroke option. So to do that, first of all, you need to select out your shape, and then you need to go around over here onto the menu right here. And if you were to go around over here onto the object menu right here, you can see that you have an option to remove fill. Once you click on remove fill, you can see that the fill is removed out right here, just like this. So let me just go around, bring this onto the top, and you can see that the fill has been removed for this. Similarly for this one, you can go around over here, and then you can go around into object and then remove the stroke. So now what happens, the stroke is removed for this shape. So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and swap the fill and stroke, meaning the fill color becomes the stroke color and the stroke color becomes the fill color. And to do that, you need to go around over here onto the file menu. And if you were to go around into object right here, you can see swap fill and stroke is an option. You can click this, and then this is what happens, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with remove stroke, remove fill, and swap fill and stroke color inside of Figma design file. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.